What if your home could exude the grandeur of ancient palaces, yet remain utterly modern? That's the charm of neoclassical interior decor. With its refined balance of classic elements and contemporary touches, this style transforms any space into a statement of elegance. Let's dive into the world of neoclassical interiors and discover how to bring this timeless sophistication to your home. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What types of furniture suit neoclassical decor? Furniture in neoclassical decor is elegant and timeless. Opt for upholstered chairs with carved wooden frames, marble-top tables, and chaise lounges. These pieces exude sophistication and comfort. Inspired by classic furniture, hit like to elevate your space. What role does symmetry play in neoclassical design? Symmetry is a cornerstone of neoclassical interiors. Arrange furniture and decor in balanced pairs or along a central axis to achieve a harmonious and formal look. Admire perfect balance? Tap like to master symmetry. What is neoclassical interior decor? Neoclassical interior decor is a design style inspired by the classical architecture of ancient Greece and Rome, blended with modern simplicity. It features grand columns, symmetrical layouts, and ornate details while maintaining a clean and polished look. Love timeless elegance? Tap like to explore more. What decorative elements define neoclassical interiors? Decorative pieces like busts, urns, and vases are iconic in this style. Add candelabras, gilded mirrors, and crystal accents to elevate the ambiance of your space. Love ornate decor? Hit like to enrich your home. What colors define neoclassical decor? Soft, neutral tones like ivory, beige, and gray dominate this style. These are often complemented by rich accents in gold, silver, or deep jewel tones like emerald green and royal blue to add a touch of luxury. Love refined colors? Tap like for color inspiration. What are the key features of neoclassical interiors? Neoclassical interiors emphasize symmetry, balance, and grandeur. Look for high ceilings, decorative moldings, and neutral palettes accented with gold or silver. Furniture often includes curved lines and luxurious fabrics. Admire classic details? Hit like to bring them home. How important are moldings and trims in this style? Moldings and trims are integral to neoclassical interiors. Use crown moldings, wainscoting, or decorative cornices to highlight architectural features. These details add depth and a sense of grandeur to the room. Love intricate details? Tap like to try them out. How does lighting enhance neoclassical interiors? Lighting plays a crucial role in highlighting the elegance of neoclassical decor. Chandeliers, wall sconces, and candelabras with metallic finishes bring warmth and drama to the space. Adore elegant lighting? Tap like to brighten your interiors. How do I maintain a cohesive look in neoclassical design? Stick to a consistent color palette and design theme. Use recurring motifs like acanthus leaves or laurel wreaths in different elements to tie the space together. Love cohesive designs? Tap like for timeless tips. How can I use textures and materials effectively? Rich materials like marble, velvet, and silk are staples of neoclassical decor. Combine these with smoother finishes like polished wood or metal to create layers of luxury and sophistication. Love luxurious textures? Hit like to explore them further. How can I refresh neoclassical decor over time? Update soft furnishings like cushions or curtains with modern patterns. Add contemporary artwork or replace metallic accents with trendier finishes to keep the space feeling current. Ready to refresh? Tap like to begin today. How can I decorate walls in neoclassical style? Use large mirrors with ornate frames, classical artwork, or wallpaper with subtle patterns. Paneling or molding can add architectural interest to otherwise plain walls. Inspired by classic walls? Hit like to start decorating. Can outdoor spaces reflect neoclassical decor? Yes, carry the elegance outdoors with symmetrical landscaping, stone fountains, and classical sculptures. Use wrought iron furniture or marble benches to complement the look. Dreaming of a grand garden? Hit like to start planning. Can flooring make a statement in neoclassical decor? Yes, flooring is an essential aspect. Choose materials like marble, polished wood, or tiles with intricate patterns. Add luxurious rugs to soften the look and create warmth. Dreaming of elegant floors? Tap like to transform yours. Can I incorporate modern elements in neoclassical decor? Yes, neoclassical style pairs beautifully with modern elements. Combine a traditional chandelier with sleek furniture, or use contemporary art against a backdrop of classic architecture. Enjoy blending eras? Hit like for creative ideas. Neoclassical interior decor bridges the gap between timeless elegance and modern comfort. With its emphasis on balance, luxury, and refinement, it offers a sophisticated way to transform your home. Happy decorating!